Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Kitchen Appliances. We are going to say a great smart chef in our house, which is none other than Instant Pot. First step leading to the robotic kitchen. I got this Instant Pot IPDO60V3 in Amazon, and I'm going to show you what exactly comes inside the box. First thing is I saw this recipe booklet, which is really useful. You have a lot of recipes in that, covering all sort of Asian and continental food. And there is a user manual, and there is a steam rack. It's a steam rack so that you can have 2 or 3 pots inside the stainless steel inner pot, and you can cook 2-3 recipes simultaneously in one shot. And there is a measuring cup which measures up to 160 ml, and the quarter measurements as well. So this is a measuring cup, and this is a scoop, soup scoop, and this is a rice paddle you have, and this is a water accumulator which comes separately, where you have to insert to the Instant Pot. And this is a digital timer LED display over here, and this is 7-in-1. This is IPDO60V3 7-in-1, and there is 2 cool options: the lid, and you can insert the lid onto the side, so you need not worry where to keep your lid once you open or look for a space in your island. So this is a special and cool feature available. And so I'm going to start this and show you the options, what's all special feature in this than the other Instant Pots. So why to use the Instant Pot? Just a quick review. Quick and easy cooking which saves time, zero assistance, keep warm mode for 10 hours. For safety reasons, it turns off automatically. So trust me, whomever, even the guys can cook, so they need not stand and wait for how you use the normal pressure cookers. Zero assistance needed. Just set off the timer, go off, come back from work, and you can use hot cooked food whatever you wish to. So you can just get set and go, and it's really quick for the fast-paced lifestyle, and it's really useful for your worth money you spend, like $100 or $80. So I'm gonna plug this in, and it's off. This is a standby mode, means nothing is done inside, or like it's not working. It's just a standby mode of the Instant Pot, which means it's like on. So we're gonna just like quick go through these options available over here. And there is in rice options. If you click on the rice options, it's like default setting, normal, low pressure, and 12 minutes, which is minutes. So it goes down decreasing, and there is another, so there sets the auto, and it goes to get the pressure increase, then the timer starts. So next we go on to the multi-grain option. So I'm going to cancel this and go on to the multi-grain, which is like 40 minutes, and we are going to go to the porridge, and which is a steam option. Like if you're preparing anything like steaming vegetables, steaming idli, you can use these options, which is a cool option. I love this. And yogurt maker, this is specialty. You can make a fresh yogurt using the culture, and yogurt comes out really well. And next comes the pressure cook. So if you touch the pressure yogurt option is like 8 hours. So yogurt will be ready in 8 hours time. You can keep it like overnight, so it will be ready in the morning. So cancel this, and I'll show you the pressure level. This is the pressure level for manual setting. You can choose the option like more, less, and normal. You can see the options beeping, so you'll have to keep pressing however you want the pressure level. And to make the adjustment between the low pressure and high pressure, you need to use the pressure level options. So it switches between low pressure and high pressure, and this is the less, normal, and more, so the seconds or minutes changes accordingly. So next, the delay timer, which is a slow cooking option over here. So you can set the timing accordingly however you want, like on the during the weekends you can set it up a delay start in the night, and morning your breakfast will be ready. And saute mode is really other good stuff, and the pot gets ready really quick, hot, and you can just saute your vegetables, onion, tomatoes for the pre-cooking style. And same way you can adjust the level. This is like more heat, this is less heat, and this is normal for sauteing. This is a slow cooking, which is even like slow cooking option for like beef steaks. The meat stuffs you can use for the slow cooking option. uh, uh, Works like a delay start. You can use this when you're away for your work. And this is the poultry, this is bean and chili, meat and stew, soup and broth. So these are the options available over here. So this is an LED display and there is a timing. So I would advise, once for example if you start this, the system is already on and it's like getting the pressure. So there is a keep warm. You can just turn it on and off anytime on during the cooking. So keep warm helps to keep your food 10 hours hot. For safety purposes, it turns off automatically once it reaches the 10 hours timing. So you need not waste the power. So if you're cooking for the previous night, or like if you're cooking in the morning and if you're coming back for lunch home, so keep warm option is a great option for this. And for safety purposes, there's a small little sticker over here. Seriously, trust me, during the cooking, please do not place your hand without your a towel or any stuffs or any safety mittens. So this is really hot portion, do not touch this. And there is an option of close and open. If you see here, just this is the option of opening, turn on. You can see one listen to one music ting. So just open it off, place your lid on the side. And I've made some recipe today in the afternoon, which is nothing but potatoes and some green peas, which is called as aloo matar gravy, which goes really well with chapati and hot rice. I'm going to go through the recipes in my upcoming videos. I'm going to post more of the videos, Indian cookings, and more of like cakes and other stuffs. And I'm going to show you the lid option now. So we're going to close this. So this is how you close. There is a big gap over here, the little spacious one. Keep the whistle part over here. Just close the lid off, which is like already closed, and you will hear a sound. And there is two options here. This is where the pressure comes out. This is the venting option, means the pressure, the steam inside it comes out. So this is a venting option. And if you're making for a pressure cook, you have to keep on sealing. And the knob, the stainless steel knob, there is a one over here which will be on the down. So once the pressure is building up, it will be on the down, and it goes up and down once the process is on, once you turn off the instant pot. Once it comes onto the top and get locked, means this pressure is like inside and it's like locked. So, and the timer goes decreasing and your food will be done and there will be a beep sound. So there is a two options. One is quick pressure release and natural pressure release. Natural is nothing but you just turn off once you hear the cooking process is done, and the knob automatically goes down like this, which means all the pressure is already out. So you're ready to open your lid, the top lid. So the quick release is nothing but use your mittens, just turn on this knob to venting if you're in a hurry and you want to do a quick pressure release. So the knob releases all the pressure out and it goes down. So down means there is no pressure. It's if the knob is on the top, then there is a pressure. So you need to go for like quick release for venting, and sealing option for pressure cooking. So you adjust according to the recipes, however you're going to make it. And there is all like cool features, really cook. And the one thing I feel about the instant pot is like the food aroma is really good, and the aroma is not spreading all over the house. I feel it's not like more of still you cook at home and you need not reach to the restaurants. It's really cheap, one-time investment, and you cook your own home food to yourself and for your kids as well. It's really healthy. And thank you. Please post your comments and queries or any questions if you have. We'll see more on my other videos with my recipes. And thank you so much for support. Do like, share, and subscribe.